My goodness naman,
I'm
Colonel
aware.
Garma, you are the director. Si director,
I cannot
hindi ka pinapaniwala na hindi mo alam sa mga nangyaring ito.
Congressman Abante hindi galit, dynamic lang.
Ikaw, umiiyak ka dito nung kinontempt ka namin sapagkat naalak mo. Ito, napatay yung anak niya. Sumisigaw ka pa, sinasabi mo dito ha. Okay. During the wake of my son, Garma and the police officers arrived in my place. Ikaw pa nagsabing nagalit ka pa at sinabi mo, why is there only one dead? There are many of them here.
Wala akong sinabing ganyan, Mr. Chair.
Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo, when we cited you in contempt, you are weeping before your lawyer because you remember your own child na may iwan, a special child. Buhay siya eh. Buhay siya. Colonel Garma, umiiyak ka na. Buhay siya. Ito patay. Ikaw ang city director. Ito patay. Nagsalita ka pa. Bakit isa lang ang namatay? Bakit isa lang ang pinatay? Oh, samantalang napakarami nila. And you're telling me now, you're denying that, Mr. Chair?
Please follow my Facebook page and subscribe to my YouTube channel.